How to share others reels on Instagram post. Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you the ways to share others reel on Instagram post. So in order to share others reel on Instagram post, first thing first, update your application and log in into your Instagram account. So once you're logged into your Instagram account, go to your reel section from the bottom right, and as you can see, different types of reels. So if you want to share others reel on Instagram post, so unfortunately you'll not be able to share Instagram reels as a post on your Instagram, but you can share it on your story. If you want to share the particular reels to your post, so it's basically copyright content, and for that case sometimes your account might be banned as well. But what you can do is you can simply share it on your story. So you can just tap the James icon from the right hand side corner, and here you can share it with your friends as well, or you can just simply go ahead and tap the add to story button, and after that you can simply go ahead and share it on your Instagram story. So that's basically how you can share others reel on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.